What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're in the kitchen. You already know by the title what we're doing, but remind them.
We are making honey garlic salmon with broccoli and white rice.
Oh my.
This is our go-to healthy dinner meal. Like, we could eat this basically every night. So easy to make, so.
Let's do it. We ain't gonna hold y'all. We gonna make this a quick video. Ingredients: sriracha, soy sauce, honey, onion powder, minced garlic, pepper, salt, and onion powder. We get our salmon from Martin's, the Nature's Promise Freeform Atlantic salmon portions. They've been working pretty good, so we're gonna keep buying them for sure. I have two pans with me. One's for the sauce, one's for the salmon. I usually do the salmon, and then she does the sides.
So I already put water in our pan. But
You did?
Yes. And
Dang, when did you do that?
I did it like a few minutes ago, but I'm gonna turn our fan on so we don't hear like the fire thing going off. But this is the rice that we use. It's the easiest rice to make. You just have it in the bag, ready to go. Plop it in there and let it cook for about, I usually do it for 10 minutes or until the salmon's done.
Man, I'm telling y'all, this is the easiest meal to make. Like, salmon's easy in itself. You just put it on the pan, 4 minutes, flip, 4 minutes. But yeah, this is what I do. Right here, flip that joint to 8, I wouldn't do hot. So then, get my vegetable oil. My fault. Actually, nah, I'm gonna get the spray vegetable oil. Shake it up, you already know. Get some of that on there. Wait for it to heat up a little bit. Oh, I put on the wrong stove. Chill. I put on this one. Don't be like me. Put on the right stove. Now, we wait for it to start heating up, and then we'll put it on there.
All right, so usually we do 1 bag, but today we're gonna do 2.
Because I'm hungry.
Plop them in there. Ooh. Let them boil. I just make sure it gets in the water.
So the salmon has been cooking for about 3-4 minutes on 8 or high heat. So now it's time to flip. Or is it?
Five hours later.
This is how you want them. You want them nice and golden brown. And while that is going, we're gonna make the sauce. So this is on low, or you can put it to like 2 or 3 right now. You don't really want it too hot. But we're gonna start with the soy sauce. Hey, if you want real measurements, comment and I'll let you in on the real measurements. But as of right now, we just eyeballing it right now. We bought some more soy sauce because it's not enough right here. This is really not enough. More on that. You want a fair amount. Okay. After that, you want to put some minced garlic. I don't know why it's so it's like to one side. I don't know why my pan is so lopsided. Look at this. Why is it all going to that side? Anyway, generous with that. Salt. Pepper. Onion powder. Can't forget about the sriracha, garlic powder, and last but not least, honey. Generous. You want to be real generous with the honey. Oh yeah. Looks like we need some more honey. So boom. Mix that all together. Okay, so once you're done stirring for a little bit, the salmon is pretty much done over there, so you want to just transfer from pan to pan. Starting with this bad boy. Put that boy right there. Put that boy right there. Yes, sir. And of course, you want to flip, get both sides. Yep. Get both sides of this joint. How's it looking on camera, guys? Let me know in the comments. How does the salmon look on camera?
Now that everything's about finished, we're gonna do the broccoli because this is literally probably the easiest out of everything. It's the microwave broccoli. But hey, it's broccoli.
Yeah.
We're eating healthy. So obviously you go based off of like whatever watts your microwave does. We're gonna do 5
minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay. You love that thing, don't you?
Yes, no messes. So if you didn't know, obviously you have to drain the water out. So we're gonna drain this.
Steamy. Let me see your glasses.
So you just want to grab it by the top here. Grab my scissors.
Oh, you're a pro at this.
Ooh.
Oh.
We got our rice.
Oh.
And the broccoli's ready, so perfect timing.
Finishing product. And what I like to do, I like to spread a little extra sauce on the rice, a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Rice, the broccoli, and then go with the salmon. Ooh, you want some extra sauce?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yes, sir. You already know, quick, easy, simple dinner, salmon, white rice, and broccoli.
Yes, it's so delicious too and healthy.
Yeah, I think the salmon costs like, these two cost $13.98. And then the rice, I forgot how much that was, but the broccoli was like $2, so affordable, good. We about to munch on this.
Also, let us know down below any other healthy food options because we're so down to make plenty more. Yeah, it's
yes. Next up, stuffed peppers.
Until next time, peace out.